Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2015 Audi RS6. Customers worried about it getting stolen due to these high risk vehicles, so we fitted this. How it works is straightforward. Turn on the ignition, insert a secret code by sequence of push buttons. On here we've selected something very basic, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get a full beam flash as a handshake. There you go. Tell you the code is correct, put your foot on the brake and start it. Also, this has the facility that if you took it for a service or a car wash and you didn't want to disclose the code, you can put it into valet mode. The way you do that is, again, ignition on, insert your secret code, wait for your double flash, and then on this particular car, use the driver's window up 5 times, get 5 flashes. That will tell you it's in valet mode, and then it will stay in valet mode, which means you can start it as many times as you want, as long as you don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes. This is how we do it. So ignition on, insert your code again, full beam will flash twice. There you go. Now we're going to use the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go, 5 flashes from the full beam. Also, if you had a situation where someone had actually seen you insert the code and you wanted to change it, this is also very straightforward. And the way you do that is ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash. This time you put your foot down on the accelerator all the way down and insert the same code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. When the full beam begins to flash, you are now in learn mode to changing the code. You then release off the accelerator and decide a new code. So what we're now going to do is we're going to change it to this side. So we're going to push it 4 times. Each time the full beam is going to flash to say it can see that button. Once we pause, it's going to think that's the code. It will give us 3 flashes, and then we'll repeat the same thing again. So we do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the full beam now. 3 flashes. Now we're going to repeat the same code. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. Code is now learnt. So if we now turn off the ignition, turn it back on and try the old code. One, 2, 3, 4. Watch for the full beam. Didn't accept the code. So ignition off. Ignition on. Insert the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch for the double flash. Start the vehicle. Okay. Now the most important part is you're going to want to see it immobilise. So basically now if we left it over a minute and then we try to start it without putting the code in, the car will start and cut out, and then you'll see you won't be able to start it. So what we then have to do is then turn off the ignition, wait a minute, because you've activated the factory fit immobiliser also, insert your code, wait for your double flash, and then start the vehicle. So what we'll do is we'll wait a few more minutes to see. Also, this Autowatch Ghost has the... This Autowatch Ghost also has the facility that should you forget the code, it comes with a card with a 5-digit code. So the way you insert the code is you turn on the ignition, put your foot on the brake to start your sequence of inserting the code. So if the code was 1, you tap the accelerator once, let go, put your foot back on the brake, that'll insert you to the 2nd digit, tap the accelerator X amount of times in reference to the 2nd digit, and so on till you've actually got to the last digit. Then the full beam will start to flash and allow you to insert the code. We'll show you this on another video. So what we'll do now is we'll try and start it. I assume it's over a minute now. Try and start it and see if the vehicle starts. So you see vehicles cut out, obviously not starting now. So if we now turn off the ignition, turn on the ignition, insert the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash, and then obviously start the vehicle. We're not going to start it now. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you. Bye bye.